Hello friends, I welcome everyone to my channel Fifachka Nails. Welcome spring in all its glory with the elegant options that will add unique charm and style to your hands. One of the popular trends in manicure is bed colors with a floral accent. Bed shades are ideal for spring manicure, adding notes of freshness and tenderness. Choose a base color in soft tones of pink, mint, or lavender. Add a floral accent on one or two nails. Use thin pen brushes or flower stickers to create a spring garden effect on your hands. Also popular are nude manicures with vintage motifs. Nude shades never go out of style and go well with vintage motifs. Choose a warm nude shade as your base. Add sophisticated vintage patterns such as dotted patterns, simple floral motifs, or fine lines in art deco style. To create a vintage effect, use an element of gold or silver decor. This manicure will look sophisticated and elegant. This manicure option for March will allow you to welcome spring with special sophistication. Don't be afraid to experiment with design and colors to find exactly the style that will highlight your uniqueness and the beauty of your hands. I suggest you look through more unusual manicure designs, and I hope you will like my selection and find it useful. Well, Fifachka Nails was with you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, put your fingers up and share your opinion in the comment. Good luck to all, bye bye, enjoy watching everyone.